What's up guys, I'm back like I never left. In this video we are going to be talking about the top stocks that we talked in the past that are breaking out significantly to the upside. So we're going to go over what is the catalyst that's driving these companies to the upside, what is the potential for these companies for potential continuation, and I'm also going to go over another 3 penny stocks that are pulling back to the downside that we need to be watching out for. I'm also going to be going over a quick stock market recap, and we have some important economic reports we need to be watching out for tomorrow, so make sure you stay tuned. Now let's get right into the video. Now before we get into the video, I appreciate if you can hit the like button. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop it in the comment section below. So the first company that we're going to be talking about is going to be ticker symbol NGA. Now this is a SPAC that is going to be doing a reverse merger and taking a company public, which is going to be Align Electric. So we talked about this company several times about a month ago, and I made several videos about this company. So I made like 3, 4, 5 videos about this company, you know, making it updated videos when the stock eventually pulls back, when new announcement comes by. And we talked about this company several times in several of the videos, so you can definitely go back and check it out. But I'm also going to be covering exactly, you know, what are some of the products that they have, and they have buses that are actually out there on the roads right now in certain districts. So we're going to be checking out that video pretty soon too. But the major catalyst for this company is that they're going to be going on CNBC Mad Money. The CEO is going to be doing an interview, so that is going to be covering a lot of information about this company. So when we talked about this company, it was trading at $13, so it definitely doubled, you know, to the upside, and right now it's definitely looking like it can have more room to go to the upside depending upon what the CEO says on Mad Money. So definitely be on the lookout for that. There's been a lot of positive news that's been coming out for this company. So they also are striking deals with different companies like Blink Charging. They're going to be working with ChargePoint, and also, you know, Amazon is also going to be working with this specific company. So in detail, the CEO is definitely going to be answering more detailed questions about the future of this company, the partnership they're working on with different other companies, the agreements that they have, and definitely we're going to be on the lookout for what he has to say when he goes on CNBC. So definitely be on the lookout for that. Of course, in this video, I'm going to be going over exactly, you know, some of the products that they have and some of the buses that are out there that are actually working right now. So we're going to go and check out this video, and then I'm going to come back, and then I'm going to go over some other stocks that we talked about that are actually breaking out to the upside, and if there's going to be more potential for these companies in the future too. So first, let's check out this video.
Energy leads to movement. Action triggers change, keeps us moving forward, and drives us toward the future. A future we are proud to help build together. The creative energy we introduce today is already powering the ideas of tomorrow. The only way to know what the future holds is to shape it today. Thanks to our unique vision and expertise, electric transportation will be more accessible than ever. To everyone, everywhere. And we're aiming even higher. We will keep progressing towards a greener transportation industry. We will continue to innovate.
with our children in them. Gives them a good opportunity to understand their responsibility to our environment also.
It's exciting to see Central moving forward with this. I'm glad that I get to be a part of it. I think it's awesome. I love to see new technology and seeing what the kids of the future are going to be experiencing because of what we're doing right now.
Being able to access a grant like this and provide 2 buses, especially buses at this caliber, is a tremendous plus and an upside to our district, not only financially, but to the community and the children of Central Unified.
Measure C actually is fronting most of the cost. The cost on the district is real minimal for the impact that they're actually getting in terms of clean technology.
Being on the cutting edge of this technology, not only here in the Central Valley, but throughout the state, puts Central Unified on the map.
As you saw from the video, the company definitely has a lot of potential, so we'll definitely have to wait and see what the CEO has to say, give us more detail about this company plans for the future, and that's going to be super awesome to hear. So now let's talk about Nano Dimensions. So I've been getting a lot of comments to do an update on Nano Dimensions. The stock basically broke out today, made a new 52-week high. You know, we talk about this company when it was trading around like $2, $3, and there's been a lot of ups and downs, especially when the company comes out and does an offering. The stock usually drops, 10%, maybe has a continuation sell off to the downside right around over here. Usually the company definitely do a lot of offerings, so we might expect another offering pretty soon, but who knows. But the stock definitely is performing very well. It can potentially be going higher since they've been doing a lot of offering and the stock just never cares. People just continues to just buy into this company. They see a lot of potential. Of course, ARK Invest is invested in this company, so we might expect a significant move for 2021. So the stock can continue to run. So definitely keep an eye on this company. Of course, if you want more detail about this company, I made several videos about it. You can go in to check out the channel, go scroll to all those videos and be able to see and find a detailed breakdown of Nano Dimensions, what they do. Maybe I'll make another updated video pretty soon for this specific company. So the other stock that I'm going to be talking about is going to be associated with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin hit $41,000 and it had a big dip over here all the way to around $31,000. That's like a $10,000 pullback to the downside. Looks like right now it's recovering. So the penny stocks and some of these stocks that we talked about also are offering a very good solid dip. So if Bitcoin continues to rise in 2021, these companies can definitely have more room to go to the upside. So these companies, when we were talking about it, they were close to like $3 and they hit above, $7.33. And that's like 100% move to the upside, more than that. And now they're pulling back to the downside. We also talked about Mara. This is also another company, MARA. This is also a company that did a significant move like that to 100% move to the upside. HU2MF, this is an OTC stock also, which was a penny stock. It was below trading $5 and also made a significant move close to $6. It was trading right around $3. So these companies are definitely offering a very solid dip buying opportunity if Bitcoin continues to sell off to the downside. So definitely keep them on your watch list. They can definitely sell off to the downside depending upon how Bitcoin prices are. But if they potentially go to, let's say for CAN, if it drops all the way to $4 or to $3, there's a solid support area over here. And 2021 seems like there's a lot of institutional investors that are buying into Bitcoin. So the price is going to be stabilizing, and these Bitcoin mining companies can definitely benefit from that. But definitely keep an eye on these 3 companies, CAN, AIM, MARA, HUTMF. And we also have a high ticker company that I talked about, which is MSTR. That is just significantly moving to the upside. This company was around below $400 when we were talking about it. Now it's sitting at $519. We're talking about it could potentially make a 52-week high, maybe break out to the upside right now, and went above $100 to the upside. So that was a really solid opportunity when it comes to these Bitcoin stocks. So definitely keep an eye on these 4 stocks. They have more room to go to the upside if you want to follow along Bitcoin, if you want to participate in that. So, but Bitcoin prices are definitely going up and down. There's huge volatility, $10,000 move to the upside, drop to the downside. So it's very volatile. So now let's talk about exactly what happened to the stock market today. As you can see, we have a relatively positive day today. The Nasdaq performed very well. We got Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Google, Netflix, all the major Nasdaq companies performed very well. Even Tesla was actually selling off to the downside, but it recovered and finished positive. So that's fantastic. We have the oil and gas stocks that did very well. slowly today. They had a slight sell off to the downside, but overall we're edging closer to higher and higher. So there might be some political events that might potentially be, affecting the stock market a little bit to the downside. You never know what might happen, so definitely be on the lookout for January. But for tomorrow, we have a significant economic report that we need to be watching out for. So at 8:30 a.m., we have initial jobless claims, continued jobless claims, import price index, and also at 12:30 p.m. we have the Fed Chair Jerome Powell is going to be speaking about the economy. So this is really going to be important. So definitely be on the lookout for this specific speech. So that's going to be for the video. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop in the comment section below. If you want to join all the free Discord where you get free stocks, check out the links in the description box below. But make sure you manage your risk, especially these companies, these stocks, they can go up and down a lot. So it can be really, really volatile. So be careful. But I catch you guys on tomorrow's video. Let's get it. Have a wonderful day.